Hi guys, I'm going to talk to you guys today. I'm Mrs. Allison, and as you can see, I'm wearing my Cold Stone gear. This will make sense here in a second. But today I'm going to talk to you about making predictions using your information from your sample. So there will be a quiz to go with this after you watch this video. So the reason why I am wearing my Cold Stone stuff is because, as some of you know, I work at Cold Stone. And the examples that we're going to do today involve ice cream, everyone's favorite. Hopefully help make this little quarantine a little better. So first thing we have here is a sample of 11 people, and we want to know how many people in the sample preferred chocolate ice cream. So if I look here and I circle all the people that like chocolate ice cream, I can see that there are 5 people out of 11. So from my sample, I have 5 out of 11 people. Now let's say there's 1,200 people. So let's say we're talking about Scioto, a population of 1,200 people. If I wanted to know how many people in that entire population would prefer chocolate ice cream, I would take my sample proportion, which would be 5 out of 11, and I would multiply that by 1,200, giving me about 545.45, which we would round to the nearest person, saying about 545 people in my entire population would prefer chocolate ice cream, assuming that my sample is a representative sample of my population. This is categorical data because we're looking at type of ice cream. So the next example here, we're going to look at the numerical data, so the number of times the people bought the ice cream per month. Move my little picture over so we can make sure we see our information here. Okay, so if I want to know the average number of times from my sample, and we still have 11 people, the average number of times the people in the sample bought the ice cream per month. Now remember, average, also known as your mean, which we'll talk about eventually, I would add up all of my numbers over here. So I would add up 5 plus 2 plus 1, add them all up, and that would give me a total of 41. Okay, so to find the average, I take 41 out of 11, which gives me about 3.7 times per month, or about 4 times per month. Now, personally, I probably eat more than 4 times a month, but who's counting? So now if I wanted to predict the average number of times that people bought ice cream per year, okay, I would take for example, my proportion or my average from my sample, which was about 3.7 times a month, and I'd multiply that by 12 because there's 12 months in a year. So 12 times 41 over 11, or 3.7, gives me about 44.7. So I would say about 45 times per year would be my prediction. Okay, hopefully this video not only helped you make predictions about your population, but also made you a little bit sweeter from the ice cream. Okay, now there is a video or a quiz to go along with this. You can now complete quiz number 1. Have a great day, and we miss you guys so much.